Have you heard about it?
Yes, I have already heard about it. You talk about admissions at Kabale University.
What are you applying for?
Fine, journalism and mass communication.
One second, if you want to come for the best vibe ever, we're here.
Yeah, at Kabale University. You want to be a presenter?
You want to be a news anchor?
Oh, you want to be maybe one of those PRs you see in the public offices?
Yo, come at Kabale University and get the admission.
Kabale University and offer bachelors in journalism and mass communication.
Yo,
Applications are open online and physical.
Tap on that link.
yo, August Unity 2026-2027.
Or else you can apply physical in the academic registrar's office.
We're just welcoming you and you come, we have a vibe, we have a fun.
We
That's
have-
what we do.
Yeah, we have a vibe here at Kabale University, like the university of course, but indeed we have it again. Guess what?
You know what I'm saying? You join us. Get the vibe going.
Join us. Join us. Have the vibe.
So guys, in the vacation, come and offer journalism.
Yeah.
There be nowhere.